Alright guys, time for me to go. Beardown tour. Let's deconstruct the Trekology chair. Nice and cool here. Gonna go to Tavistock. Go and get some burgers. I fancy cooking some burgers, mate, and using the fire pit, portable fire pit, because there's more people there. I can't use the main fire pit. One of my videos has been taken down, and all it was, I think it was off the radio. I think I was playing the radio, I think, when I was talking into the camera. Yeah. I've researched the person that's done it. I'll bring the name up when I do the vlog later. But it's a bit disheartening, but it's only a short one anyway. Yeah, it was a raw clip anyway. All it was coffee time. I do so much fucking footage, it's unbelievable. That's it guys, so that's the Trekology chair, that's how much room it takes. Good bit of kit, don't take up much room. So please like, comment, subscribe and see you in another video. Bye bye guys. GoPro stop recording.